welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be filming a super fun video. We are outside at this beautiful lake. So we're going to be doing my Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing. So this is the Valentine's box. I paid $100 for this. With tax it came out to like $106. So it comes with 8 items and a couple of them are exclusive items. So let's open it up and see if it's worth it. This is actually my first time. I don't own any Jeffree Star products. So let's see what we got and let's just jump right into the video. So now that I've taken the tape off, it doesn't look as pretty. Ooh, I'm so excited. All right. What? I'm so confused. But instead, I actually got this beanie. So it has his little logo. So it says Jeffree Star, has his logo right there. It's actually really nice material. I obviously live in Florida, so I don't really need a beanie. But this is what it looks like on. Maybe if I go up north or something. So the next thing in the box is going to be this, which is a, oh no, we are trying not to litter, no littering, is a shirt. So I got mine in an extra large just because I don't know if it's gonna be like super tight material or what. So we're going to, I'm like shoving all my trash in this backpack. That way it's not all over the place. So it is a 100% cotton, designed in the USA. So this is what the front looks like. Oh my God, this is so cute. This is actually really big. Oh well, it'll be oversized, right? So this is what it looks like. It's got this cute little heart, the Valentine's, like the little cart candies. This is actually really cute. I actually really liked it. This is what it says. It says, I'm gagging, can't relate. Hi, how are ya? Jeffree Star approved and iconic. And then his JSC logo, which I actually really like this. This is super cute. Definitely be wearing this. So we got a 2 apparel accessories. The beanie, I'm guessing, is one of the exclusive items, and the shirt, I know he came out with it in the hoodie. All right. So the next thing in the box. So it looks like we have 2 palettes and some straws. Ooh. Jesus. So we actually got, oh, these are so cool. These are the 4-piece reusable drinking straw set. And it comes with a cleaner brush. So it has a little turtle right there, which is so cute. You know, save the turtles. On the back it says, be iconic and classy with these Jeffree Star approved custom blue stainless steel straws. Shades of blue, so you get 3 curvy ones and 1 straight one, and then the straw cleaner. They feel so nice. So this is what it looks like. It has the Jeffree Star logo on it right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop open my inner for me. I'm making a mess. I feel so fancy. Okay, so I went ahead and opened the packaging. Oh my God, this is so cute. Look at this. And even in the sun, it looks so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, this one comes with a mirror too. Wow, I love this. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Guys, this is a really good box. Oh my God. I'm sorry if I say oh my God a lot. I'm not trying to. Okay, so this is what the inside of the palette looks like. It comes with a mirror. Great for on the go. So we have 6 different shades in here. We have ice cold, glacier, lavender snow, alien ice, pink chill, and canary bling. So it comes with a little plastic protector. This is what the shades look like right here. So beautiful. This is his Skin Frost formula. So I think I'm gonna go, oh, I just blinded myself. I'm gonna go ahead and do some swatches. Oh my God, that feels so good. So this is going to be ice cold. Glacier. This formula feels so good. That is beautiful. This is lavender snow. This is so hard doing this out in the sun. That is so pretty. And honestly, I probably wouldn't wear that one as a highlight. You could always use it as an eyeshadow or just use it in the inner corner. That would actually be really, really pretty. The next one is going to be Alien Ice. I'm running out of fingers, guys. I didn't bring any makeup wipes out here either. Well, looks like it's going on my pants. Okay, next shade is Pink Chill. And the last one is Canary Bling, which hopefully I'm saying that right. I can't see. So that is what the swatches look like. Obviously, I'm not the best at it, but it's just to show you guys. So that are the shades, and they're all wearable. Besides the lavender one, but you could obviously use it as an eyeshadow or an inner corner highlight thing. The last couple things in the box are gonna be 2 lip products. So we have the gloss in the shade Diamond Juice. Ooh, I bet that's pretty. And then this is another limited edition one. This is, doesn't say. Shake well before use. Okay. This is the Velour Liquid Lipstick. This has super cute packaging. And it has a little broken heart with a question. I wish it gave us a shade name. This is what the packaging looks like. This is actually really nice. I really like it. I've never had any of his lip formulas. Doesn't have a smell. Oh, this is beautiful. That is what my swatch looks like. It's really pretty. We'll see how quick it dries. I've never used any of his lip formulas before. I'm starting to sweat out here. But luckily the sun is being blocked now. Other than I'm getting weird looks from the same person staring me down, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm just a crazy person talking to myself. This is so pretty. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. So this is the gloss. This is in shade Diamond Juice. Wow. This packaging is so luxury-ish. It has like the little where is it at? JSC logo right there, down there. You probably can't even see it. It's like this really pretty champagne pink color. Look at the dofa applicator. All right, we're gonna swatch it up here because I have like this is so pretty and so glittery. All right, we're gonna put some on. Oh, it smells so good. Ignore my huge pimple. That is so cute. I love that. Oh, and now it's starting to get windy. All right, guys, and we have one more thing left in the box. All right, last thing is a mirror. So this is one of the Jeffree Star Cosmetic hand mirrors. I like the lip gloss. It smells good and it feels really good on the lips. All right, let me take the sticker off. What color do you think I got? Leave a comment down below guessing what color I got. Oh my god, why is this being so difficult? Oh, Jesus. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, to be honest. This is so pretty. I don't even know what color this is. It's so pretty. This is what the mirror looks like. Oh my gosh. I mean, I could see my whole face. I can see everything. But I'm super happy with everything I got. I'm definitely using this in a tutorial and the palette in a tutorial. If you guys want to see that, definitely let me know what looks, what colors you want me to use. I'm gonna go ahead and add up the total for you guys, tell you how much each product is, and then we're gonna wrap up this video. So the Jawbreaker palette is worth $28 on his website, so that is how much it costs. The Platinum highlighting palette is $40 on his website. The pack of straws are going to retail for $19.99. Some of them are on the website for $12, but this specific pack is going to be $19. The hand mirror is up on his website for $25. I'm not sure exactly which color that is. That might be the Halloween one. If you guys know which one it is, definitely leave it down below. His baseball caps, dad hats, those are for $25 on his website, so I'm assuming that the beanie would be somewhere around in that area. The shirt is obviously not on there, so I'm not sure how much that one is. Last two items were the velour lipstick and the lip gloss. Those both retail for $18. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it up and put the total on this screen. And once again, I paid $106 for the box, so I think I got it it was pretty much worth every penny that I spent. I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this box. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, if you want to see more videos, you could go check out my playlist. So I have a makeup playlist, a dumpster diving playlist, and like a DIY one. So if you guys want to go see that, make sure to go check those out. Remember, you guys are beautiful, and I will see you guys in my next video.